I'm Todd, and today we're diving into something really delicious. So let's get ready to make chicken parmesan. So it's something that you won't want to miss. So to all my amazing viewers, I want to thank you for coming back. It means the world to me how you help continue to support the channel. So with that out of the way, let's grab our ingredients, let's get our aprons, and let's make chicken parmesan. For our chicken parmesan, you're going to need the following: thin sliced chicken breast, Parmesan cheese, eggs, panko breadcrumbs, Italian breadcrumbs, garlic powder, oil, shredded mozzarella, and marinara sauce. If you enjoy my content and want to help support the channel, hit the join button below this video. So we have everything set up so we can start getting our chicken ready for cooking. So I've got my egg, which I've whisked up here in this little dish. Then to this other larger dish, I've got my panko, my Italian breadcrumbs, and my Parmesan cheese and garlic powder all mixed up. So what we're going to do is we're going to take our chicken and pass it in our egg wash. We want to make sure we get all of the excess off, and then we're going to place this in our breadcrumbs, and we're going to want to make sure that we press our breadcrumbs into our chicken breast. And just like that. And now we're going to set this on a foil-lined baking sheet and move on to the next one. So we've got us a skillet heated up over a medium-high heat, and to this we are going to add our chicken breast, our chicken, and we don't want to overcrowd the pan, and we're going to cook these for about 2 minutes per side. Alright, so our chicken is done, and so we've got us a large baking dish, and to the bottom we added a little bit of our marinara sauce. So now we're going to place our chicken on the bottom in our pan. We may have to be a little bit creative depending on how big these pieces are. Let's see here. It looks like for this dish we're only going to be able to get about 3, and that's fine. You can always add this this other one to another dish. So, and then on top of this, we are going to spoon in some more sauce. And then we are going to top this with some mozzarella cheese. As much or as little as you like. I tend to like a lot. So now we're going to place this in the oven at 450 for about 20 minutes. So our chicken has been cooking in the oven for about 20 minutes, and as you can see, the cheese is lovely and brown. So we've got us some pasta, and we're going to take us a bit of our marinara sauce and pour it over our pasta. And then we are going to take out our chicken and add this to our plate. And there we go. So now we're going to get some of this stuff out of the way, and we're going to give this a taste. So now that we have everything plated up, let's give a taste of our chicken. A little bit of sauce. Delicious, tender, nice flavor. Get a little bit of noodles here, because I'm always one for pasta. Yep, definitely a keeper for this one. So I want to thank everybody for watching. I really do Let me know in the comments below what you think about it. So I want to say thank you to all my subscribers and my new viewers. Don't forget to hit that like, share, and subscribe button, and hit that notification bell so you don't miss out on any upcoming videos. So I wish y'all a great day.